National Park of Portugal.
Oh, this is all automated. I love the technology that works with the rustic nature.
We can speak about 5, 6, 7 million euros. It don't depend. Well, I have a lot of money, now I'm going to Geres and build a fantastic house. No, it's the limit.
In this video, I am going to show you that there is far more to Portugal than simply beautiful coastlines, vibrant cities, and spectacular golf course views. I am going to drive to the Geres forest in the far north of Portugal to view a property that was designed by the famous architect Carvalho Araújo. We are going to look at the history of the property, investigate the value of the property today, look at how it was conceptualized, and have a look at all the unique features that it offers. My name is Alana and I work for Migronis. We are a global citizenship and residency by investment company, and we help our clients from all over the world to become international citizens. I am going to take you on a journey through Portugal to show you all the unique investments you can make and specifically focus on properties that are suitable for Golden Visa. Today, however, I'm driving to the far north of Portugal into the Geres National Forest. This is the largest national forest in Portugal. I'm going to visit a property called Casa Otiima, and I'm going to show you all the unique features that this beautiful property has to offer.
We are in a valley. This is the top of the valley.
Yeah.
So the location is strategic for the villa. And that's what the owners and the architect understood when they came to the plot to negotiate the plot and to design the dream.
This is beautiful. This is a very colorful piece of art on a very large wall. Do you recall where this comes from?
New York, American artist, and it is in fact very impressive.
I love the colors. I think the house needs a little bit of color. And these pieces over here are also quite unique.
This came from South America, Peru.
So does the family collect
Yes,
these pieces of art as they travel?
These came from Amazonia, this one. And do you know, can you guess where is the master suite?
Upstairs? It would normally be upstairs with a better view.
The master suite is just in front of you.
Really?
Really.
on the other side of
On the other side, and with a nice jacuzzi.
Oh, okay.
On the right side.
Oh, interesting.
So you wake up and you can start with a jacuzzi and with a nice coffee.
So you can only access the master suite.
It's different.
Through this open area.
It's a different experience.
Yes. All right.
You can sell that you hate or you love it, but it's different. It's like that.
Have your morning jacuzzi massage while you look at the valley.
That's
This is
true.
beautiful. I'm looking forward to seeing the garden. Let's see if we can get into the master bedroom.
We can see it.
I love it. I love the technology that works with the rustic nature.
Yes.
Oh my. Oh, this is very interesting.
Very different.
This is very, very different. There's an amazing piece of art over here against this wall. So this is the master suite, and it has an ensuite over there.
There is more.
So do we have many rooms? So there's two more rooms.
They are
upstairs, downstairs?
Upstairs.
Okay. Well, there's certainly, oh, this is all automated. That is very That is very good. Wow, that's lovely. So how do we open now? The other door is open. We need to open that door again. Unless we just... oh, there we
it's
go.
opening.
It's magic.
Magic.
Let's go have a look. Well, I can imagine working from home. Look at this amazing view.
It's a privilege
For
person
sure.
working here.
Where do those steps go? I see there's steps from
You'll
the garden.
see it makes part of the walking path.
Yes.
And we'll do that from the house. You see the other house, second house is over there.
Oh, okay. It's quite hidden.
You will go there. And you see these lights, all the lights are not nearby the ground, you know?
Okay.
Like that, it is a work from a prestigious artist, Portuguese one.
Oh, okay.
International one.
This is, this is concrete or a...
Yes, it's concrete.
Just polished concrete?
Yes.
Have you actually touched it?
Sorry?
Have you actually touched the floor? It's not warm, but it's not
It's not warm,
either.
but probably it's not on the top of the...
Yeah, but I mean it's
what?
not ice cold. Normally concrete
Yes,
would
yes, of
would be
course.
cold. So what is up here? This looks like a mezzanine. Are these actually bedrooms or is this just a mezzanine?
It's exactly the mezzanine where the bedrooms are.
Okay.
But you know, the idea was to integrate the property and the inside and outside materials are exactly the same. And
Okay.
when you arrive to the property, what you see? Wood.
Yes.
Like
yes.
wood. And you see, and you look for the property and you see wood.
Shall we go upstairs?
Yes,
Can
of
we?
course.
Now this would, I must admit, make me just a little bit nervous having this so open. Oh, this is interesting. It looks a little bit like a bird hide,
Yes.
doesn't it?
Yes.
Hey, voila. It looks just like an animal hide. No, actually it looks like an animal hide you would find in the forest. That is interesting. Let's have a look at the two bedrooms.
Okay.
Do they have bathrooms attached? They en suite? or
Yes,
not?
they are en suite, yes.
Oh, this is also interesting.
Very simple one.
It's very simple and it's quite open.
Children sleeping here, it's a total adventure.
It feels like they're sleeping in the forest.
Yes, that's it.
This is very interesting. Yeah, I guess it's just a duplicate of that.
Yes, that's it.
I like that one.
That's it, I enjoy that.
Yes, there we go.
And that is true.
It is indeed.
You have to make it happen.
That is true.
This is
But
the architect,
Oh, okay.
Carvalho Araújo. It's a famous architect
Yes.
with a lot of nice works.
And a Portuguese
Portuguese,
architect?
Portuguese.
All right. And does he normally do residential
Yes,
properties?
he
So
does.
that's-
He
so
does.
that's,
Here and in other countries. Now
Yes.
he's working in Brazil also.
okay.
And it's special. Because you must remember, the first time the owners and architect came here, there were only trees and land, nothing else.
Yes.
So they have to think about how to organize the space.
Yes.
They had to take some decisions, important decisions, and the concept, it's a mix of simplicity and sophistication also.
Yeah.
Sit
You're having
down.
a dinner party.
Yes.
Does it go all the way down Japanese style so we can have sushi? And if you're having a cocktail party, you can
You go up.
lift it up again. I wonder how many kids have played with this. Up and down.
It's very
This is-
convenient
this is
for parties.
Very much so.
It's okay for 12 persons.
Okay.
Around.
And the chairs are school chairs.
The inspiration were the schools.
Yes.
And the signature of these chairs are from Cisa Vieira. You know Cisa Vieira?
Nope.
It's the most important architecture in Portugal.
Okay.
He has got Pritzker Prize. Pritzker Prize is like the Nobel Prize
Oh, okay.
for architecture. The simplicity
And-
and sophistication at some time.
I think this is just lazy and it was stolen from the kids' primary school.
This is Corbusier.
Corbusier.
Corbusier is one of the most international and since ever architects of the world.
Okay.
Corbusier. And this also comes from him, Corbusier also. So it is very Art Deco.
So what would be the value of this property?
Well, we can speak about 5, 6, 7 million euros. There
Okay.
was some properties nearby, different style.
Yes.
It's a question of personal taste.
Yes.
But that were sold by 7, 8.
Okay.
Well, I believe that this house, the value, it's a very intimate price.
I keep thinking about myself. If I invested 5.5, 6 million euros in a property like this, what would I want it to do for me? Where would the kids play? Where would the dog run? Because people have families and they
Yes.
have pets, and you have to accommodate that.
They have
I
dogs,
think this
and
is a
dogs
beautiful.
normally are outside in that park,
Yes.
and the kids are exploring the plot
In the swimming
and
pool.
will
Yes.
nice tents.
Yes. So just square meters, the size of the main house.
300.
300 square meters. So the main house is not that big,
It's not that big.
but everything else is. And the guest, call it the guest house or the
guest house.
second house with 3 en suites. That must be
Three
quite
and suite,
quite a.
it probably with 150.
Okay. And there's parking just outside.
Outside.
Oh, just outside parking.
Outside.
Okay, this is Mother
Just
Nature.
outside.
Yes.
It's Mother Nature. It's a very different concept.
Yes.
But at some time trendy concept.
Do you think this would appeal to a digital nomad, given the internet that is hidden, or has to be searched for, or
No,
is that
but-
just out of choice?
But you can have a powerful internet here.
Okay, so you can have the connectivity
Yes.
if you choose
Yes.
to have it. Okay, I'm sure you've done some research in the area. I mean, what is the typical price range for a property in this area? I'm sure they're not all as unique as this, but what would an investor expect to pay?
From good houses you have from 3.5 till 8.5.
Okay,
That's.
all right, so it's quite a broad
But there
range.
is not many because it's a very protected area. You are inside only National Park of Portugal. The park belongs to the worldwide biosphere of the world, protected by UNESCO.
Okay.
So it's very rare. It don't depend. Well, I have a lot of money now. I'm going to Geres and build a fantastic house. No,
I can
you
just buy a
cannot.
piece of land and do it. So there's limited.
It's limited.
Okay.
It's rare to get the opportunity to build something like this.
I'm very often asked if the Portugal real estate market is overpriced. I decided to have a look at other high-end properties in the luxury market globally and see if we can come to some sort of conclusion. I had a look at 2 specific villas. The first one is a beautiful modern home on 3.5 acres in Constantia. This is on the slopes of Table Mountain near Cape Town. The other is a villa called Ajo, which is a creative villa in the central parts of Mexico in the heart of the Valle de Bravo idyllic forests. If we have a look at the property prices there, we will see that Portugal still has some room to grow. The modern villa in Cape Town can be bought for $10 million US, and the villa in Mexico is in the market for $11 million.
You see these glass sliding doors.
Yes,
This is very difficult to produce.
because
It's
of
not easy.
because of the size.
Because of the size and the quality and so on. The owner produces it as a huge factory here in the north.
Okay.
They produce it and export all over the world.
This is the place to spend the afternoon, don't you think?
Baixo.
Oh, there's a-
Oh, there is a
there's a
dog.
dog, yes.
A dog over there.
Is this a village on the other side, or are those?
Yes,
those...
it is a village, and in the middle there is a river called Caniçada.
Kenisada.
Caniçada.
If a family was to buy this property, where would the kids go to school?
Porto city is 1 hour away.
Okay.
So
And Braga is not too far
Braga
away?
is 30 minutes,
Yes.
and there is international school in Braga.
Oh, really? An international
Yes, there
school?
is. There is. In Porto also there is.
Yeah.
After there is private schools.
Yes. Are you finding a lot more interest from international tourists or international investors coming to this part of the world?
Many. The market is hot for all the different segments of the market, and the Americans came here first place for tourism, but now they came as buyers, and since 3 years ago they are increasing their buyings in Portugal. At the moment, for example, I have the numbers in Lisbon. Considering the most 5 important parish of Lisbon,
Yes.
historic parish,
Yes.
it was always the French, Chinese, the Brazilians in first place. Since 3 years ago, the Americans start and now are the number one.
And that is just pure investment or a combination of
Combination.
investment, golden visa,
Many retirement
retirees
situations.
as well.
Because Portugal was elected as the best place where to retire. Because natural conditions, friendship, good food, good wine, it's important for the health. And healthcare system
Yes.
is good. We are always claiming, but the truth is that it's good. And in spite of to be a small country, you never get tired because it's a diversified landscape, so you can do multiple different activities.
Yes.
So it's very good for somebody who comes to retire. On the other side, the cost of life, it's amazing. It's it's inexpensive. So somebody with European or American who comes here to retire, he will not spend all his money, and he will save money and will have a good life,
Yes.
for sure. In fact, in the end, it's the most important thing we all have in life, to socialize and to be integrated in nice social groups. And here in Portugal, it's easy for you to do that.
Yes.
Because people care about others. If you need something from a neighbor, he will pay you all the attention and will do all efforts to assist you.
Yes.
Portuguese, general point of view, they speak English.
Yes.
But
I have
even
found that.
if they don't speak, they try hard to communicate with you. So it's a friendly country. We are in the top 3 of safest country of the world, and we are considering in the top 3 of the
Friendliness, yes.
friendliness. So this is important for daily life. Of course, money is important to live and so on, but for our daily life,
Yes, you need friends
you
more
need
than
friends
Yeah.
more than everything.
Oh my gosh, this waterfall is just beautiful. So this is all natural water coming out of the mountain.
This was the
And-
key point of the how did they plan the house
Yes,
to control the waterfall.
yes.
So they did,
So
and
the
you
whole
can
house
say
was designed around the waterfall.
that's it. That's it. The location of the house and the waterfall, and after they build up everything. If they didn't control the water, it will be much stronger. You know.
I really love the water. I think this is just so peaceful
Yes, it is.
to
The permanent
to have the sound.
It brings you to a different mindset.
Yes, it does. I want to go sit on that chair. It feels to me
Oh.
like that is the Queen's chair. However, I can see myself sitting here in the afternoon
Not bad, for sure.
with my book, glass of wine,
It will be fantastic.
snacks being served. Yes.
And somebody with
This is spectacular. So the water just flows down into the swimming pool, and the
Swimming
swimming pool is their natural.
natural swimming pool.
Yes.
Like if it were a small lagoon.
Yes, it's very romantic.
So you look around and everything is...
This is just beautiful. It's beautiful how quickly it gets hot here.
Yes.
You know, as soon as the sun comes out, it's...
From one moment to another, it came from rain to sunshine.
Would you mind hanging on to my jacket for a
Yes,
moment?
please.
I want to investigate this hammock.
Oh my God. That is really pleasant.
This is the good life, isn't it?
And this is good also.
Blueberries?
Yes,
Blueberries or blackberries? Oh, and they're ripe as well, or not?
They are good.
Oh, that's very nice. And it's because this is a national, thank you, because
Park.
it's a national park, this would all be organic?
Yes,
Or-
it is.
okay.
It is.
And this is Christmas dinner.
That's true.
Let's cut that. We might have some vegans watching. But that's just beautiful. If you look at the house, it's so rustic in a way, isn't it?
It is.
It looks like a Noah's Ark.
You see, and everything match all around.
Yeah, I love the views all the way.
It's,
all the way to the top.
It's totally integrated.
Yeah.
Totally integrated. So many chickens. They have 30 different trees for fruit.
Okay.
And some are exotic, like pitanga and other.
Yes.
Well,
I've seen just 3 different types of berries.
see this rock. It's quite a rock.
And I wonder how easily it will roll down the hill eventually.
Yes, I think not, because
No?
it's linked to the.
Yes, I know,
you
but it
see
looks.
another.
I see another light.
light.
Yes. This looks a little bit like Robin Hood's forest.
Yes,
don't you think?
it's something similar. I know. It's an adventure place, and here we are going to find the hidden house.
It really is hidden. You have to know.
That it exists to come here.
Yes.
That's true.
Is there a full-time garden
Yes.
service?
2 persons. Yes.
Two
yes.
persons full-time. Okay.
Yes. Here it is, quite different. And
They
you
have
see
their own pool up here.
a pool, a jacuzzi. Well, it's a very comfortable house,
Yeah.
but different from Casa Otiima, and it gives support for the main house.
Yes.
That's the idea.
So this is actually an entertainer's paradise because
And
you can put your guests up here and only invite them down when you need company.
People are looking for different experience.
Yes.
So here they can get it.
Yes. So it's not a typical 5-star hotel experience. This is about something else.
If 5 persons suddenly wish to buy a house like this, they have to compete among themselves because there is not 5 houses like this. There
Yes.
is only one.
Yes.
This is the question.
Thank you. That looks lovely. Thank you very much. Thank you very much
Thank
for
you.
hosting us today. I really enjoyed visiting this beautiful property, and thank you for your kind hospitality.
Thank you very much.
Portuguese
It's a
friendship
pleasure.
at its best.
Portuguese friendship is special.
If you found this information useful, please do subscribe to our channel and like this video. If you'd like to ask me any questions, please feel free to use the WhatsApp number in the material below. As I go on my journey through Portugal, I am going to show you multiple properties starting from the 500,000 euro range that is specifically suited for Golden Visa investments, but I will also be visiting unique properties in the categories of 2 million, 3 million and 4 million euro properties. So I hope you will stay in touch and join me on this journey.